Hello everyone. So how to split in Revit? In Revit, let's say now we are speaking about pipes. We have two options for splitting. When we go to the modify tab, we have split with gap or we have split. So now we speak about split with gap. This is easy one. We click on split with gap. Then we define the position that we want. Let's say it's here. And as you can see here, the joint gap, we can define how gap is it. Let's say it's like 100. So we do it like here. As you can see here, the distance from here to here is 100. This is the first option. Second option is splitting. This is called splitting with union. This means here for this pipe, it's defined a union in the type. So when we click here, we can see there is a fitting. This fitting here is already defined in the pipe. So if we select the pipe and went to the type, and then we go to the routing preferences, we can see here for the union, this is the family that's assigned. Let's say we changed it. Let's say it will be this one. And then we say okay, okay. And then now we split again. As you can see here, it's changed as well.